Welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. And this video, gawin natin ang energy check para po sa may mga sun, moon, at rising sign na Capricorn. Kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. And readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And gamit natin ngayon si the Crow card ni Sakura. So, Capricorn, your energy check is the card of the sword. Now, this is offensive tong ginagamit ni Sakura. And sa lahat ng mga episodes si Sakura, madalas na ginagamit niya to. Usually kasi dalawa yung ginagamit niya madalas eh. Or apat. And isa sa mga madalas ginagamit niya na card is the sword para lumaban. Sabi nila, in tarot cards kasi, ang sword is the symbol of air. Tungkol siya sa mind and the intellect. And also, the swords can cut through a lot of things. Alam mo, ito na yung kailangan mo magsalita talaga. Kailangan mo na maging offensive. Andun yung punto na may mga bagay na kailangan kang itama sa paligid mo. Gawin mo na. Kasi hindi na pwedeng maghihintay tayo ng change. Change will start with you. Andoon kasi, parang may iba sa inyo, kasi nangingi ako ng sign para gawin yun. Dude, yung reality na nakita mo, yung kailangan mabago, yun na mismo yung sign. Yung reality na nakita mong may mali at kaya mong itong itama, that alone, sign na yun. Take up your sword. Lumaban ka kasi walang ibang gagawa nun eh. And you have the equipment. You have the training. Hindi mo lang siya napapansin kasi sobra kang busy nang hihingi lagi ng sign. But take this as a sign. Do what you need to do. I hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And I invite you to subscribe, like, and share. So maraming salamat. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And I hope to see you in our next video. But goodbye for now.